Hello dear viewers. Today find out a problem for brother sewing machine. Simple problem. Just wrong installation is the big problem. Okay. So just I show. Look, no any swing. Nothing here. And is coming out. Look, it's coming out. Okay. So how this problem solve? This only simple. When this problem coming, when this problem show, if your any needle broken, and after when you go to install new needle, and this new needle if you install wrong, then this problem you face must be. Then I want to show you how to install the needle. Okay, just need light. Look, okay, remove the needle first. Maybe you see this side is fully plain, okay, and this side is fully bent, not plain. Okay, so you need to install this bent side is front side. If you put your machine like this, then your side keep needle bent side. Okay, and this plain shape, this plain side, this side fully plain. Okay, fully straight. So straight side give back side, other side. Okay, and this one side is have needle, this side have a number, something writing here. Okay, here something is writing. I think maybe the needle number like this. You keep this number your side. Okay, like this number is here, so keep your side like this and put inside the sewing machine needle place and put it. Oh, let's go inside. What is the brother? Why you go inside? Now how can I remove it? It's fully go inside. So now need remove full. There is needle. So more one time I say you, look, this side is fully plain and this side is fully bent and one number is there, so your number side keep your side. Okay, needle number side keep in your side. After make it tight. Only one hand is problem for work. Not only problem, so many problem. Your needle wrong installation is so many problem. It is not working, not stitching, this not showing, this is not showing. Very big problem, brother. So you need to install properly. Okay, now I install the stitch. I want to show you it's working good now after needle installation. Okay, now I bring it. This black look, black one is coming up. Okay, switch is on. Just I pressing the switch down one, this. Okay, Look, after proper installation the needle, this is the swing quality.